Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain about stock selection in intraday. So most of the people are not aware like how we can select an intraday stock. So this strategy will work out like around 9 to 9:30. So before 9:30 we can decide where we are going to invest on that day. So this is the early morning strategy. So kindly watch completely my video to understand how this strategy is working out and what are the things we have to do. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon to get notification for the upcoming videos. Okay, let us come to the topic. So how we can select a store? Like for example, the market will be opening from 9 o'clock and till 9:15 there will be pre-opening. And the market will be running as usual from 9:15. So the normal market where we can buy and sell will happen only after 9:15. So there will be pre-opening. So by 9:08 the pre-opening will be closing. So by that time we have to decide okay which are the sectors are going to perform well. From where we have to pick the stock. So all those things I am going to explain today. The first thing is that whenever the market open like 9 o'clock and the pre-opening will be closing around 9:50. 9:08. So if you are a beginner, the first thing you have to do, you have to understand how the market is going to perform today. So first thing what you have to do means you have to log into Google. So you have to open the Google, then you can type as nsc.com. okay, in the nsc.com India, okay, nsc India. So this is the first site you have to see. If you are a beginner, the first thing you have to see like what are the sectors are going to perform for the particular day. Because today today is like if you are doing an intraday today, if you are a beginner, you should know like what are the sectors are there. So the first thing I am going to do is that you can see here nsc India. So you have to click on nsc India. So you can see the NSE site is going to open here. So this is actually the old site. Okay, sorry, this is the new site. So you can go with the old site. So what you have to do means here you have to edit, and after www just enter 1. Okay, once you enter 1, then you can go enter. So this is a new old version. Okay, because actually the old version is very easy to use. That is the reason I normally go with the old version. And the first thing is that you can see the lot of things like live market. You can see here live market, product, all those things you can see. So the first thing you have to see, if you are a beginner, the first thing you have to see is first you have to go to live market and you have to see pre-open market. You can see the first option will be pre-open market. So you have to click on pre-open market. So once you click on the pre-open market, you can see like here you can see advances 30, decline 11 and unchanged are 30. So Nifty is like that is what I told in the earlier videos. Nifty is composed of 50 shares. So the 50 shares will be deciding where Nifty is going to be. So if the 50 shares are performing well, Nifty will be going up. The same way, if the 50 shares are performing not well, then the Nifty will be coming down. So this is what the criteria. So the first thing you have to understand today how the Nifty is going to perform. So you can see the advances are 30. So 30 shares are positive. It means the Nifty can go ahead. And you can see only 11 shares are declined. So there are less chances of Nifty coming down. So you can see the overall performance today. Nifty is up today. Why means there are 30 shares are advances and only 11 shares are declined. That is the reason you can see the green signal here. Here you can see the Nifty is today green. That is the only thing. If you are a beginner, the first thing you have to go and check what is Nifty status today. So once you check the Nifty status today, so you can decide okay the Nifty is going to perform today up or down. So based on that you have to decide okay which stock where I have to invest. So that is the secondary things. Once you understand these things, the secondary thing is that you have to, which stock you have to select. So that is the reason what I will do again. I can go back. Here you can go back once to the, this is only to understand okay this is only pre-open market is only to understand how many shares are advanced and how many shares are declared. Once you understand okay this is how market is going to perform today. So because of 30 shares are advanced, the market is going to be positive today. Okay, this is only in the beginning. Okay, this is only the beginning of market. It can change even like later also it can change. But don't think this is only the 950 strategy. So this will strategy, what strategy we are applying, this strategy will apply only in the first trade we are going to take. So after that again directly what you have to do, you have to go to live market. Here you can see index. Okay, here you can see the index here. After pre-open market equity stock, after that you can see index. So just click on index. So once you click on index, you can see what are the sectors we have. So we have to identify which are the sectors are going to perform today. So from there we have to select a stock. See here you can see sectorial index. So this is what we call sectoral index. Like we can see Bank Nifty is there, Nifty Auto, Nifty FinService, Nifty FMG. So all those stocks are there. So based on that, we should decide, okay, which is see today you can see Nifty PSU Bank was 3.50 was the percentage of change. It means those was performing very well today. That is the reason Nifty moved up. So you can click on Nifty PU Bank and you can select any of the stock. So here if you go, you can see all the banks performance today. So you can see all the bank was performing very well today. See PNB Bank was almost 2% change. So almost you can see here 2 rupees change. It is almost 7% up. Like that you can see all the bank was green. So it was like we can select a stock based on this. So in the same way, you have to check all the sectoral index. Like here you can see auto was down today. So the auto performance was down. So the first thing, if you are a beginner, first thing you have to check the pre-open market and understand how many are declined and what are the advances. The same way, second thing, you have to come to sectoral index, and here you have to decide, okay, which are the stocks are performing today. So any stock, like if you are seeing, okay, here above 2% or if you are seeing green like above 2%, then you can go to that sector and you can select a stock. So based on if you buy that stock, it can move like 80 to 90%, you will get the accuracy. So that is 100%. Only like around 9:15 you have to decide, and don't trade all exact 9:15. So wait for another 10 to 15 minutes and see like how market is going to move. If the things are moving to your correct direction, then you can take an entry. So this is one of the important thing. Okay. So today I have given also suggestion. You can see I have started a WhatsApp group also to help the beginners. Okay, you can join to this group. So this is what my group. Okay, the group link I will give in the description. So if anyone interested to join this group, you can join. Like daily, absolutely, I will be giving one gold free here to this group. So if anyone want to learn market, you can join here. So today you can see like Arvind Pharma I have given. So I told to buy at 783 and my stop loss was 773. So what is the reason I give this stock? So that is the reason I am going to explain today. So directly coming to, so you can know Arvind Pharma is a FM, it is a pharma sector. So you can see pharma was positive in the early morning. Actually pharma was very good because now it is on in the evening. Okay, I'm taking the video. That is the reason there is a changes. Okay. So pharma sector, I will click on the pharma sector and you can see the changes here. There are a lot of changes. Okay. So if you see the first thing is Arvind Pharma. In the early morning there was a first thing was Arvind Pharma. So that is the reason I have selected here. You can see the low was 772. Okay, that was the low for today. And what was the high today? You can see the high today. It was 796. So I told to buy at 783. Okay, you can see here 783. And what was the highest? 796. So almost 13 points moved from what I given. And current, that is the reason I am telling, like if you are going with sectoral index, you can see like which are the sectors are going to perform that particular day. Based on the sectors, you have to decide, okay, like whichever is having above 2% value, you can go directly and you can select one of the stock from there, okay, which is performing well, like whichever is coming in the top. So Arvind Pharma was the first in the pharma sector. So that is the reason I went and selected there, and you can see the entire day there was a good performance. And we can get easily, we can make profit. And you can see the highest was 796, and you can see almost 2% change, like almost 21 rupees up for Arvind Pharma. So I will show you in the today's chart. I will show you here in angel broking. Let us see. Okay, this is angel broking application. Here you can see this is what the stock I have given today. So if you come here, you can see Arvind Pharma was right now 796. Okay, 796, almost 797, almost 797. So that is what the rate of Arvind Pharma currently now. So I told you, and you can see the high was almost 800, so almost 17 rupees up. And after we are taking the call, it was not gone even below the entry point. Sometimes then even it can go also, like whenever you are getting a minimum profit, you have to book the profit. So that is the important thing whenever you are trading. If you are trading for a particular day, like if it is 5 rupees up or 10 rupees up, immediately you have to revise your stop loss, or you have to book the profit, because we can't predict also market. 100% no one can predict. Sometimes even market can fall down also. So this is the best strategy we are using. Like if you are using the index, you have to see all the index, like medical or whatever the performance. Based on the performance you have to decide. Like early morning, by 9:15 you have to be ready. Okay, which are the sectors are going to be in red, or which are the sectors are in green, and how many are in advance. So this is like one of the easy method a beginner can apply. This is the best method you can learn, and this is only the basic thing. Okay, this is not only the criteria, this can work out like little bit. So the detailed how we can select all those things I will be giving my next videos. Okay, so kindly subscribe my channel, and all the details I will be sharing in my next videos, like how we can pick the stock and what are the other criteria we are using. This is only the just basic criteria. Okay, so this criteria won't be working completely, but for a beginner this will be very helpful to select the stock. The rest of the idea I will be sharing in my next videos. So you can join my WhatsApp group. This group will be absolutely free. You can join to this group. I have given the group link in the description. So if anyone interested to learn, any beginner want to learn how the market is functioning, so all those things I will be mentioning, I will be sharing here. So you can join to this group. And anyone interested to open account with a working application, you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. Okay, so the same link I have given in the description as well. Any clarification required, you can directly contact me. So kindly subscribe my channel, so that you will be getting more updates on market and how market is going to function. And in my next video I will be sharing the basic strategy. So like what are the strategy we have to apply to become a success, to become successful in market. So all those things I will be sharing. So kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon, kindly share to your friends also. It will be very helpful for the friends to understand how market is functioning. So thanks for watching.